Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Pradeep. Today we are going to start our exercise number 9.4 of chapter 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities of grade 8. Let's get started. First question is multiply the binomials, and we have first part as 2x plus 5 should be multiplied with 4x minus 3. Let's see how to do it. First I will write 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. As I explained before also that whenever you are going to multiply one binomial with another, what you should do is you should multiply each term of the first binomial with every term of the second binomial. So let's see, that is 2x should be multiplied with 4x. So I will write 2x into 4x. So again I will multiply this 2x with 3 with second term of the polynomial. So that means 2x into minus 3. What is the key point? That you should fix one term and you should multiply this term with every term of the second polynomial. So now this 5 will come. So 5 into 4x, and again this 5 will be multiplied with minus 3. So 5 multiplied minus 3. Now we will solve it. That is 2 into 4 as 8, x into x as x square, right? So 2 into minus 3, this will give me minus 6 and only x is there. Again 5 into 4, it's 20 x. Now 5 into minus 3 will give me minus 15. After this step, what we should do? We will check if there is any like terms, we will combine them. So here there is no like term for 8x square, so I will write 8x square. Now second is minus 6x and plus 20x. So these both are like terms. So minus 6 plus 20 will give me plus 14 and minus 15 as it is. So this is the solution of first part. Now let's see our second part. Here we have to multiply y minus 8 with 3y minus 4. So again we will take one term of the first binomial and multiply this with all the terms of the second binomial. So we will have y first multiplied with 3y. Now this y should be multiplied with 4, that is y into 4. Now see, this minus 8 should be multiplied with 3y, that is minus 8 multiplied by 3y. Next is again this minus 8 should be multiplied with minus 4, that is minus 8 multiplied by minus 4. So now we will solve it. Number 3 and y into y is y square. Here we have y into 4, that is minus 4y. Again numbers should be multiplied first, that is 8 into 3 as 24y. And this minus minus will become plus and 8 into 4 as 32. Now we will look for like terms. We have here 4y and minus 24y. So these two are like terms. So 3y square will be as it is. Minus 4 minus 24, that is minus 28y plus 32. So this is the solution of second part. Now let's move on to third part. So this is our third part, that is 2.5l minus 0.5m should be multiplied with this binomial. So let's write it first. That is 2.5l minus 0.5m multiplied by 2.5l plus 0.5m. So again the same rule. First term of the first binomial should be multiplied with every term of the second binomial. So we will get 2.5l multiplied by 2.5l. So again this will go to the second term, that is 2.5l multiplied with 0.5m. Okay, so now second term should be multiplied with every term, that is minus 0.5 m should be multiplied with 2.5 L. This is our third term. Again minus 0.5 m should be multiplied with 0.5 m. Okay, so now solve it. 2.5 into 2.5, we will get 625 with 2 dots here. Let me show you how I get 6.25. See, 2.5 multiplied by 2.5, you should remove the decimal like this. Now 25 into 25 is 625, over 10 into 10 is 100. Now how to put decimal? Since we have two zeros, so our decimal will come here. So that is why I have written 6.25. L into L is L square. Now see, again 25 into 5 is 125. We have two decimals, so I can write 1.25 LM. Third term is negative. Again 5 into 25, 125. So two decimals, so I will write 1.25 LM. And last is minus, so I will write minus 5 into 5, 25, and two decimals means 0.25 m square. So now check for any like terms. I have this, and surprisingly both are having numbers also same with opposite sign. So we will cancel them and we are left with 6.25 L square minus 0.25 m square. Okay, so this is our answer for this part. Now let's see the fourth part. Here we have a plus 3b multiplied with x plus 5. So how to do? First a should be multiplied with x, right? Now this a should be multiplied with 5. This one, that is a into 5. Now we will move on to our second term, that is 3b. So 3b with x, that is 3b multiplied by x, and then this again 3b with 5. So 3b into 5. Now let's multiply them. A into x as ax, a into 5 as 5a, 3bx, and here we have two numbers, so we will multiply them first, that is 15b. We can check we don't have any like term, so we can stop here. Okay, so this is our solution of fourth part. Now let's move on to the remaining part of the question. So this is our fifth part, so let's solve it. That is 2pq plus 3q square should be multiplied with 3pq minus 2q square. So again we will multiply first binomial, first term with each term of the second binomial. So let's see, 2pq into 3pq. This is my first part. Now again 2pq with minus 2q square. Okay, so third is this, that is 3q square multiplied by 3pq. Okay, now again this 3q square with minus 2q square. Okay, so now solve it. 2 into 3, numbers separately, that is 6. P into p as p square, q into q, q square. Okay, so now this plus and this minus will be minus. 2 into 2 as 4, p only one p, q into q square. So this will give me q cube. Next is 3 into 3 as 9, p as it is, q square into q. Again 3 times q. So I will get q cube. Okay. Last is 3 into 2 with 6. But since we have 1 minus sign, it will be minus 6. So q square into q square. 2 plus 2 as 4. Okay. So our answer is 6p square q square. So we will check here any like terms. We have this like term. So minus 4 plus 9, it will give me plus 5 p q cube and minus 6 q 4. Okay. So this is our answer. So now let's see the sixth part. Here we have 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square. But see, here we have something different, that is 4 should be first multiplied with our binomial and the answer should be multiplied with this binomial. So that means we should first multiply 4. So I will write in separate bracket whatever our polynomial is. Okay. So I will not start with this. First I will solve this and then answer should be multiplied with this binomial. So I will write 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square as it is here. So 4 into a square first. So I will get 4a square. Now 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. That means this minus 8 by 3 b square. Okay. So now we got our two binomials and we will start multiplication. That is 3 by 4 a square should be multiplied by 4a square. This with this. Okay. Now first with second we will have plus 3 by 4 a square multiplied by minus 8 by 3 b square. Okay. So now this 3b square should be multiplied with 4a square, that is 3b square into 4a square. Correct? So this 3b with this. Okay. So we have 3b square multiplied by minus 8 by 3b square. Right? Now we will simplify them. See, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So we will have 3 and a square into a square will give me a 4. Correct? So next is again 3 and 3 will get cancelled and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we will be left with only minus 2 as numerical coefficient. So I will write minus 2 a square into b square. Now let's see here, 3 into 4 as 12 and b square a square can be written as a square b square in alphabetical order. And last is this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So I will get minus 8 and b square into b square as b4. Now for like terms we have these two like terms. So when we will combine them, so 3a4 minus 2 plus 12. So we will have plus 10 a square b square and minus 8b4. This is our final answer of sixth part of question number 1. I hope this question number 1 is clear to you. Now see you in my next video with second question of the exercise. Thank you.